Now, why we swear in sales training? I mean, you join the company first day and then in the training we say sao le, we say could, we say meh, we say so many different swear words. Why? Does anybody know?
Hey, Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look, man, keep driving that audience. So, Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
Hello, everybody. Did you like the training so far?
Yes.
Yeah. It's different. Did you learn something today? Nhiều á, okay. What about online?
Dạ, hôm nay học được nhiều ạ.
Okay. Anybody bankrupt right now? We need to be very strict on the bankruptcy. We play this game for real. Like if you go bankrupt, you're out. Right? And the reason we do that is because you're salespeople. You must be able to get attention. If you're shy, you cannot get attention. You're afraid to talk to people. This is not the profession for you, right? See, we designed this training to make sure that you're not a shy person, that you're willing to get attention. Your skin is as thick as mine. If you're in sales, that's what you need to be. And that's what we're testing. So if a whole team, they don't want to answer questions, they don't want to say anything, there's not even one person in the team that wants to say something, that whole team should die. That team should not continue with us. Agree? Yeah, okay. Now, Miss Fung, today, this morning, maybe, probably use a lot of swear words. What did she say? Anyone? Who said? No. She said Vietnamese.
Bullshit.
Dale, she said that? Dale. What's Dale?
It's been long, but it's like meaning in a swear word.
Huh? What the fuck are you doing? Okay, who said fuck? Da Nang, right? Okay, Da Nang, 1,000 and A1, right? You're A1? 1,000, all right? What else she say?
Nhảm kết. Bullshit.
Bullshit. How you say bullshit in Vietnamese? No, you're not listening. So cook. Okay, she said cook. What else she say? Mẹ là y. The okay, you said two. She see first, right? So 2,000 A1. All right. What else she say? Don't be shy. Did she say xảo lừa?
Chị Phương có nói xạo lờ không?
Yeah. Okay. Did she say xảo lừa or xảo lũng? Which one?
Chữ nào mọi người?
She said xảo lừa, right? Okay. A2 $1,000. Now, why we swear in sales training? I mean, you join the company first day and then in the training we say sao le, we say could, we say meh, we say so many different swear words. Why? Does anybody know?
Nó giống với thực tế chứ.
Thực tế làm quen với việc sẽ có thể bị khách hàng chửi như vậy.
Như vậy là cảm xúc nhất đấy.
Okay, A1 connect center $1,000. That's right. Sensitivity is poverty. When you call customers, what do you think they're gonna say to you? Right? Not all of them, but sometimes they're gonna say fuck you.
Không phải là lúc nào họ sẽ trả lời, nhưng mà đôi khi là họ sẽ chửi mình luôn á, như là chửi đờm mà mình luôn á.
Yeah, sometimes they swear, they hang up. And you know what? Sometimes you meet the customer face to face and they say xảo lờ.
Đôi khi là mình gặp trực tiếp khách hàng chửi thẳng cái mặt mình luôn, xạo lờ.
We see those examples many times already, right? So the reason why we do this, one is to train you sensitivity is poverty. If you cannot take it, you should not be in sales and forget the money. And two, yes, customers will say that to you. Right. And this is training for that. Don't let them rattle you because they say xảo lờ.
Nói là mình đừng có để khách hàng làm mình nhục chí tại vì khách hàng kêu mình xạo lờ nha.
No problem. I hear that all the time in the company. No problem. We do everything in this training for a reason. Trust me, Miss Fung doesn't want to say xảo lờ every day. Or maybe she does, I don't know. Maybe she say it like, she say it to herself, but she doesn't say it out. Okay, so now you understand why we do those things. and they help us to select the right people to join our sales team. So good luck. I hope you make it today. Take some fucking action. Don't
Người
be a
hành động đi.
fucktard.